Hey, Raven! Wow! You like your car? You like your pink car? Come back here, baby. Reverse. Come back here. Do you have your driver's license, Raven?
Huh?
Do you have license to drive?
Huh?
Do you have the license to drive just like Mommy?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It's in here. Look.
It's in here. That's the battery.
Yes, the battery. But where's the battery? Oh, wait.
The blue one.
Where's my gas? I think I'm eating. I don't
Go to B-Boy na. Ask B-Boy if B-Boy wants to go with you. Ask B-Boy if B-Boy wants to go with you. You wanna go car race with Mommy?
Daddy, go with us.
You wanna drive with Ate?
Daddy, go with us.
You wanna drive with Ate?
Daddy, go.
You wanna drive with Ate? Kuya.
There's nobody there. Oh, I'm sorry, Riley. You have to do it at home.
Bye, Ate. Bye. Have fun. Be careful. B-Boy next, okay? Be careful, reverse.